working students, sa kanang mga professionals, sa kanang busy ka sa lahang trabaho, mga pamilya nga kanang dili makakuan sa makabuhat sa ilahang botong sa balay, kaya nasay ka ng laing kailangan, kay kuhan, nakabangan din sa Sam's Laundry Shop. Traditional Sam's Laundry aims to solve problems by offering fast, reliable, and environmental friendly laundry services to value proposition and unique selling points. Eco-friendly, reusable laundry bags. So we offer reusable, eco-friendly laundry bags made from organic cotton or recycled fabric, helping reduce plastic waste and making multiple products and deliveries easier for customers. So we all know that basta may natin ng mga eco-friendly na mga products na mahal naman maging na siya. So ato ni siyang i-introduce kanang ever nga ato ang soan business is mo kuan siya, mo patok siya sa kuan or kanang mo grow siya. So ay na silang siya introduce para business. So convenient pick-up and delivery services. We offer convenient door-to-door pick-up and delivery services, ensuring your laundry is done quickly and returned safely. So nasa pick up and door-to-door para mas convenient siya and mas buhay siya sa uban customers na busy dito ayos. Like, ako dara mo siya kasi ilang kuhan, so quick and efficient turnaround. So our laundry staff has fast turnaround ensures your laundry is done in immediate and perfect for busy customers and business. And friendly experience staff. So kung mukha tao ganang business, so kanang mamili jud tag mga staff na kanang about jud ang sa background nila, insay kanang pa nila like diha attitude towards our customers. And helping small businesses. We offer legal solution for small businesses to efficiently handle uniforms, towels, linen so they can focus on operation. So mukuan po kayo kanang help with mga small businesses na like dili pa kayo ng business ba? Makatapang na kayo mga business kahit dili ka siya yung so target market. So our target market is busy professionals. So individuals demanding work schedules need convenient and reliable laundry service to save. So mga busy professionals, families na looking for efficient laundry para mas madaling pa ilang look sa balay at sila sa Sam's Laundry Shop. And students, mga students na nag-skill at the same time na kuan ko, nagtrabaho ko. So mas matapang din sa Sam's Laundry. Okay. Pas-pas mo naman mo ang service. And then, next of the customer customer. So, so as what I have said earlier na ang i-introduce ang eco-friendly bags katong sa mga bags kung mo na business. So naman yung mga customers na kanang if you exercise yun ang kanang sustainability sa atong palipot like mas prepare nila ang gamit ito kanang bags kaya magamit nila every time magpalagay sila. So the next one is elderly or disabled individuals. So nakakatapos sa din sa kuhan sa ang mas makatapos ang business na sa mga elderly and disabled kay naaman may kanakuhan naaman sila na kanang ihatod na kanang service kanina po sa nilang door to door. Competitors and competitors. So local laundromats. So small independent shops with basic service. Same na ako sa ang so and laundry deliveries so same na sa ako sa mga nasa kanang kuhan outside kanang delivery. And then competition advantages are competition is nami yung solution using reusable organic bags business models providing labor remittances to small businesses, cafes, gyms, and retail stores. Financial projection. Revenue we accept 200 orders per month, each costing 750 pesos. We expect monthly revenue for 150,000 and 1.8 million annually. And our main expenses would be rental, energy, supplies, staff wages. We estimate 450,000 in annual expenses. And our profit is we aim to break even in the first 6 months and start making a profit after that. So business model, revenue, streams, drop-off service, customer pay per load, they drop off, pick up and delivery, extra charges for laundry pick up. So nasa technarness, every time mag-umagal ka upuan, mag-deliver ka o mga laundry pick up, monthly plans, customer can subscribe to regular laundry service for a fixed monthly. Cost, main cost is include rent, staff, and laundry materials. Will keep costs low while delivering excellent service to attract more customers. So, dapat ay i-add no? So, if ever ang laundry, ang Sam's Laundry is hindi siya is mukuan siya, sita ko ganay? Okay. First ano, kay depending na mo, if we would look what is not working sa ako ang laundry. And mag-adjust at me, we would change things like offering discounts, moving deliveries, or trying new marketing strategies to attract more customers. Yeah. Cut costs. So if needed, we would reduce unnecessary expenses like limiting staff hours or relating rent. And ask for feedback. So ask for feedback sa mga customers. Then we will listen to our customers to find out what they want and improve based on their suggestions. And then, so sa lugar na ang ang sales sa siya, kita nyo siya lugar na kanang wala ka siya yung daghan competitors like kanang kabaw puti nga kaning lugar is needed ang among service. So convenient location, accessible to customer. The laundry shop should be in a location that easily accessible to its target audience like near residential areas, apartment complexes, or offices building. And clean and modern and welcoming atmosphere. So inviting store design, like I clean, well organized, and aesthetically pleasing shop would make customer feel comfortable and increase the likelihood of repeat visits. So no, kung imong shop is kanang limpyo kaayo, niya kanang sa customer is kanang comfortable sila kay na yung customer na magbalik-balik mo kay kabaw na sila yung shop limpyo. And then so we also have advanced technology kay kanang mga technology nga maubit ang ang Sam's Laundry shop is paspas siya kay we have a kanang mga gamit na kuan mga advanced so self-service option. So mo present mo kuan self-service mo sa mga tao nga kay kung paano kung sa laundry shop kay if ever kung ikaw ra ang kuan mo, ikaw ra ang ulog sa imong kanang laundry kay mas makales ka. So mo present yan kay kung magpa-laundry mo ka sa imong staff is nasa ibayad. And then specialized services, community focus and customer centric. So we will offer customer loyalty. We will do customer loyalty program offering discount or rewards for repeat customer. So nanong may mga repeat customer mo. So para mas makuha yun sila sa ang kanang business kay mo-offer sa kanila o kanang kuan kanang mga sa nila o kanang discount, mga reward customers para mas ma-encourage po sila nga magbalik-balik sa ato ang sa among Sam's Laundry. And then branding and marketing. So we would strong brand, recognizable logo, consistent messaging, and friendly, approachable image can help the shop stand out, and shop vision should be evidence everyday aspect of the business from segment to potential customer. So nindot sa ito nga, nindot ako ang logo, and then recognizable siya ba para mas stand out siya sa isa ka lugar. So if ever mo grow ang kuan business o expand in franchise, so expansion yung multiple location. If the business model works well one location, some could about expanding to multiple nearby areas or even franchising business to reach a wider audience. become, our mission is to provide fast, reliable, and affordable money services with focus on quality and document satisfaction. And our vision is become the leading bank